This jump demonstration shows how to create an NP control chart and a P control chart. We're using the washers data from the sample data library. There are 2 lot size columns. I'll use the second one to show you what happens with a variable subgroup size. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Quality and Process, Control Chart Builder. Number defective goes in the Y role. Then I'll change the chart type to Shewhart attribute. I'll change the sigma to binomial P-NP, then change statistic to count. Finally, I'll drag lot size 2 into the N trials zone. We're presented with an NP chart of the number of defective items in each lot. There are 2 points out of control. To create a chart with a constant center line, we can plot proportion defective instead of number defective. To do so, I'll change the statistic from count to proportion. Then click Done. Here is the corresponding P chart with the same 2 points out of control.